Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 19 Chevy Silverado Trial Boss LT, and honestly this looked absolutely, majestic. Like beefy. So I bought it. The blue color looks really beautiful on this one. So even the Ford Raptor that was also blue color if I'm not wrong. Both looked really nice together. So I'm just going to place it in that way. Maybe I'm just trying. I might refresh the display here. It depends upon whether I'm relocating to different place or not. So let's see. And okay, just a quick note. And I don't know. One of the person actually mentioned in comments my voice was totally different and he preferred my old voice. I don't know what he was talking about, but I am not using any voice changer or anything like that. I'm just see, I do videos continuously for 3 hours or 4 hours, depends upon how much I'm putting out. So sometimes I get tired, and that might change my voice a little bit. I will get sore throat because if you are talking for nearly 2 hours or 3 hours constantly, everyone will get that, right? So that might be the reason. But again, I don't use any voice changer or anything, but I'm using an app to add this logos, the channel name and everything. I don't know, I watched it in my phone and I saw, I felt my voice, heard the same. I never felt any difference. But if you guys are feeling something is changed, let me know, because I am not actually playing it back again and again after I upload the video. So that is up to you guys. You once you go through anything, if you feel something is different compared to the previous videos, do let me know. I will see what is the issue here. Okay, so with that said, so this I bought for 179, which is the MRP, and let's unbox this. Honestly guys, keeping these cards in a box, it is really difficult. I have a lot of cards now. Even the previous set and everything, whatever I unboxed, my wife just cut this blister out and she kept it here, and it rained, everything got dusted like this. So it is hard to keep. I don't have a box to keep those cards now. I filled one entire box. So so I am just going to purchase another box soon. So okay, so out of the box, the casting looks good. Okay, let's talk about the paint job. It is not good. You can see the black, they messed up the black part here as usual. And so even the livery, see the livery overall, it looks really nice. But uh, if you are just doing a close up on this, you can see the white part here. You can see this. I don't know, it is chipped off or it is not painted well. Something happened there. But apart from that, the casting looks really good, and it has rear view mirrors as well as sunroof. I mean, uh, the interior looks really good, and it doesn't have any headlight details, but the Chevy logo is really good. That is embossed here. I really like that instead of just painting it out, at least they embossed it. So okay, so let's go to the back. So here also the Chevrolet name, it is embossed in metal, and it has tail light details here. And okay, so the body is fully metal. The bed here is plastic, interior is plastic, and chassis is plastic fully. The chassis has a little bit of details, which is really good, and it has a massive set of tires. So okay, so when I'm pointing out this kind of these things, the small, some people are complaining back to me saying that what you are expecting this 179 rupees car, how much quality you are expecting. These kind of questions I'm getting asked in Reddit or even in our comment section. So let me tell you something. I bought the recent Majorette as well. I'm pretty sure you guys knew by now I prefer Majorette over Hotwheels any day. So Majorette was able to do the same thing for 199. They do have suspension, they do have acrylic headlights for literally 99% of the car, and they have tail lights for 100% of the cars. And I mean they have everything there. So just for this full details in Hot Wheels, you need to go 299. So think about that. You are spending 100 rupees just for other side details. That's it. Maybe one or two cars they release in full metal. Again, not really worth that much if you ask me. They are calling it like calling it as silver line series or whatever it is. So now you guys might ask, then why you are buying all these cars? What is the reason? So let me put it in a very simple way. When I started this channel, I did it as a fun thing, to be very honest, because I saw a lot of subscribers got added, and then a lot of people started asking me to do Hot Wheels more, because it is cheaper to buy, right? And as a reviewer, I need to be neutral, at all cost. The reason I'm, see, I'm not promoting Majorat or Tomica here, but they are doing something really good for similar price point. Not I'm talking about Majorat, not Tomica in this case. They are doing something really good for 199, which is similar price point. But Hot Wheels or even Matchbox, maybe, since they are from same company, I pointed that out now. I mean, they are not able to do that, right? So in this case, even if it is 179 or 120 or 159, sorry, 149, whatever the price is, see, I even commented to someone that, see, if just because a biscuit packet is 10 rupee, you are not going to eat an expired biscuit packet, right? You need quality there. Same goes here. This you are paying this 179 for this car, right? So you need to expect that particular quality here. So if you are not really able to do this, then don't do it at all, right? So if you are doing something, then do it right. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't do this kind of things, like, I'm not sure how many will get this kind of paint issues, or even not properly rolling, or a lot of scratches. I mean, a lot of people told me whatever I am getting with a lot of scratches. I'm not sure how that is happening, but I do source cars from multiple places, and sometimes my friends buys those for me. Sometimes I buy from local shops, sometimes I go to my native place, from there I buy from some local shops. So it's a mix actually. So out of all, Hot Wheels has most of the issues. Even Majority, I never felt that much of issues. Even Majority, I source from different places, not on the same shop or anything like that. So that's what. Okay, so with that said, let's weigh this casting. It feels heavy, maybe around 38 grams. Wow, 44 grams. That's really nice. Okay, let's see if it fits the track. Okay. No, it actually uh, gets the friction, because it is touching both ends of the track. It's not rolling at all. Okay, so this is not good for track, but maybe uh, if you're just playing it, over a mat, or over normal ground and all, or even some mud and all, I think this is going to perform good. But overall, if you ask me, okay, sorry, I missed this out during my previous video. So someone was telling me to rate every car. Okay, so let's start from this video. Okay, so I would rate. Okay, there are some paint job issues here, and it is not fitting the track. So if you are a person who plays with track and expected to perform there, then I am reducing 1 point for that out of 10, and I am reducing 1 point for the paint job, obviously. So I will give a 8 out of 10, because apart from that, everything looks really nice. So rest is up to you. So my personal suggestion would be, if you love Chevy or trucks or both, go ahead and get it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.